video we learn the breakdown maintenance. What is meant by breakdown maintenance? In breakdown maintenance, defects are rectified only when the machine cannot perform its function any longer. In breakdown maintenance, defects are rectified. Means machine is running. Daily routine maintenance we are doing. Preventive maintenance we are doing. Suddenly a machine got stuck, stopped. Something shaft got break. Some bearing got balls lining, everything got gone out. Sometimes belts also will break. So the breakdown maintenance defects are rectified only when the machine cannot perform its function. When the machine is not functioning as usual as before, suddenly the machine got stuck, not working, and the maintenance department is compelled to the machine to call on the maintenance department for the repair. So, preventive maintenance daily repairing work. Even the machine is running daily, suddenly the machine got struck, it's not running, then the maintenance department people will call the maintenance department people to do the work. Otherwise, if you are skilled worker, you have to attend the work. If you are not a skilled, you have to go for maintenance department and call them and ask them to repair. After repairing the defects, to attend moving parts, sometimes moving parts, reciprocation parts. These parts will get breakdown. It will not move properly because we are not lubricating it properly. The deposition has take place either chips, dust, the lubricant is a liquid. It collect the dust and it will become a greasy form. This greasy form, the chips will get stuck. The greasy form of the lubricant will not allow chips to move forward. It will get stuck in between that. Due to that, if one part got struck, the other part, what parts are rotating behind this moving part, will get break. Due to the more power, it is not running by a manual power, it is running by a machine. Machine will not get. If it any got stuck, it will stop suddenly. The machine, it will not think and it will stop suddenly. Then the other parts will get damaged. Suddenly the machine will get stuck. So we have to attend for that work, repairing. So moving parts, reciprocation, that's called reciprocation parts. These parts, reciprocation parts, when you attend, you repair it. Sometimes it got jips or got worn out for reciprocation part. Example, on the lathe, tool post, on the machine, jips which are reciprocating. There some jips are there. Their jip screws are got loose, jips got worn out. The machine part, tool post will get little bit play. Due to this play, more vibration. Due to this more vibration, sometime what happen, the cutting tool cut, it will go more depth on workpiece and it will stuck. Due to stuck, tool may break, the workpiece may break. Due to that struck, the machine power is having more power, the lead screw going on moving, it tool is not allowing to move, that parts will get stuck and get break. So sometimes these things happen unknowingly. The machine will get breakdown, will attend for these parts. Example, rotating parts, gears. Sometimes what happen, gears, after we are attending the daily maintenance, here and there, the chips, everything is collected on that gear tools. Sometimes the gear tools will not allow to run freely. Sometimes got struck. Due to struck, when the machine is rotating with electrical power, it having more power, the teeth also sometimes will get break. Teeth will get break. So To do this repair work, if gear ready available for interchange, okay, or spare we are having, we can change it, or we have to mend the gear tooth by welding and filing according to its profile of the corresponding teeth. According to the corresponding teeth profile, we have to file the teeth what we got broke. Or we can do welding, we can put a metal piece and screw with the other screw threading and fix the metal, and again you profile the gear tooth, corresponding gear tooth profile, same thing you profile and use it. Sometimes this lead screws, when you are owning machine, switching off, when this lead screw run, there some pins are there. These pins will get sheared off and pins will get cut off. So we have to remove the pin and we have to replace the pin. Sometimes belts, after long run, belts also will get a break. So due to this, machine will get completely stopped and the work also got stopped, the labor also got stopped, and the maintenance what we are paying for workshop charges also got stopped. Everything this will affect on the your production. The cost of the production rate will go up. Breakdown maintenance disadvantages: low cost. Advantages is low cost. If breakdown maintenance is done properly, if breakdown is done in time, the cost of production will get a less rate, low cost. We can sell it for low cost. Less staff. If machine is running very well, we can employ the less staff. Disadvantages. In disadvantages, increased cost due to the unplanned downtime of equipment. Downtime means in breakdown, we are stop the machine, we dismantle the part, we are attending to repair it. Sometimes it take 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days also. Due to this, the labor is struck, we have to pay him. The production what we get for 5 days, 500 numbers is struck, and for repairing we are charging, for repairing department everything we charge. After 5 days we start the work, the cost of product will go up. So increase the cost due to the unplanned downtime equipment. Now increase the labor cost also. So if the labor 5 days is not working, labor is struck, machine is got struck, it is got breakdown, the labor has to pay. Reduction of output. So in 1 day we are making 100 pieces, 5 days it got struck, so 500 work pieces, what job pieces we are making, reduction of output, producing. Increased chances of accident. Increased chances of accident. Now when machine got breakdown suddenly, if anything machine got struck, anything part got damaged, it is okay, we can change the damage. Sometimes it is chances of accident with the workers also, Sometimes when we get accidents, if we get handicap, or sometimes we may lose the lives also. So increasing chance of accidents and loss safety to both workers and machine. Now more spoiled materials. If that machine is not running properly and the product what we are producing, they are not within the unlimited sizes, and the scrap will be more. That means the product will not be utilized because of undersize. Direct loss on profit. The production what we product made, on that directly we are getting loss. Due to this 5 days machine was got breakdown. This is a breakdown. Breakdown is sometime partial and major breakdown also. Partial breakdown, stop the machine. The parts what is visible outside we can replace and change within the time we can change it. Otherwise, if it is from the internal, it is a major breakdown.